Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn about understanding providers and the injections in the NestJS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In NestJS, providers play a significant role in dependency injection, which is the core concept of the framework. Providers are the classes or the objects that can be injected into the other classes, such as the controllers or the providers or the modules, allowing for the creation of a modular and the reusable code. Providers in NestJS can be of various types. It could be services, it could be controllers, and could be custom providers. Okay, services are the type of provider used to encapsulate the business logic. So in the services, what we are doing, the business logic, data access, or the other functionalities, they can be injected into the controllers or the services or the modules that we have already checked in the previous video, right? So if I go to the previous one, so here you can see that we have a controller. Let's go to that cat module, then we have a controller. Okay, and in this you will see this dot cat dot services get all cats. This logic should be in where it in the service section, right? So the thing is that what they're trying to say, the services are the type of provider used to encapsulate the business logic. Data access, so here we are fetching the data. You can go with the DB storing the data that also comes into the service part or other functionalities. Controllers in the NestJS are also providers. They are handling the incoming requests, process them, and return the responses. So controllers can also have the dependencies injected through their constructor. Custom providers, apart from the services and the controllers, you can create the custom providers that can be injected wherever needed in your application. Next, we have a dependency injection. So dependency injection in the NestJS refers to the mechanism of providing instances of dependencies to the classes that require them. So here, this promoting the reusability, testability, and the maintainability. How it works? Constructor-based injections. So if I go and check this one, this is constructor-based injection over here. You can see in the controller, you can see we have a cat service. So here we are doing the dependency injection, and with the help of this dot cat services, we are accessing the functions over here, the member functions, get all cats, right? So dependencies are typically injected into the classes, in controllers, services, etc. through their constructors. When the instance of the class is created, NestJS handles the resolution of its dependencies, automatically injects them into the constructor. Module configuration. In NestJS, module act as a container for the organizing related functionalities. Providers are defined within the modules and can be shared. You can see that modules act as a container. So providers are defined within the modules. Okay, so if I go and check over here that the where we have the app module. So here we have, you can see providers. So here you can see the providers are added, right? So providers are defined within the modules. So it is defined in the modules that we have a cat module, then we have a dog module, right? So providers are defined within the modules and can be shared across the different parts of the application with the help of this, right? Consider and take an example of this one. Okay, so already we have a cat services, right? So let's go and check consider a simple service example and the controller in the NestJS. So we have a cat service, right? So here you can see that we have a cat services for the get all cats and the add cat, right? Okay, and then we have a cat controller. Okay, so let's take an example. We have a get cats for the cat controller. Okay, cat service is a provider. What it is? Service provider. Cat service is a service provider annotated with at the rate injectable. Okay, so you can see that it is at the rate injectable, okay, anywhere, right? So here you can see that cat controller is also a provider controller that depends on the cat service. Okay, so already depends on the cat services. If I go to the controller of that one, so it depends this dot cat services dot get all cats, right? So it depends on this one. With the help of the cat service, instance is injected into the cat controller via its constructor. Okay, so here you can see that there is a dependency injection of the cat service into the constructor. of the controller, right? You can see that. Benefits of dependency injection: modularity, allows for the easier separation of the concerns and the better organization of the code. You can see that the code is organized, okay, because we have a service file in the different section and the controller in the different. With the help of dependency injection, we are using that module, right, using the services, okay. Testability and the flexibility: easier testing by providing mock dependencies for unit testing, make it easier to change implementation or switch dependencies without modifying the much of the code base. Understanding providers and the dependency injection is crucial in the NestJS, as it forms the foundation of the building modular, maintainable, and the scalable applications. Right? I hope you understand what exactly the objective is. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.